Welcome to this new video of RPV. Now we will prepare a very simple report from Visual Basic. We open the Visual Basic here and generate a new project. We will use some small databases that we have created. Its name is testdb.mdb and contains the table countries. If we select table countries, we will see a list of existing countries with some data related. Now we will prepare a report with this. To do that, we will use a small module that is available for downloading. It is very simple. We use it to make it easier the understanding of the program on this video. We insert a button and a data object. Now we will code associated to the button. Here we will explain what we have done. On first line, we open the database. On second line, it creates the RPX file to write data on it. On third line, it writes the first line of that RPX that says template equals and the name of the template that does not exist yet. And here it makes a query and countries table and performs a loop affecting all the found records. And for each record, it will write the following: a long line with all the fields separated by pipes. This long line begins with a literal detail that indicates the name of the subsection that RPV will use. What this code generates is the following. This file is countries report.rpx that we see here. And if we open with any text editor, we see this. Okay, now we will generate the template we have mentioned. The template will be countries template.rpv and does not exist yet. We will use this RPX to generate the template. We open then the RPV visual editor. And we will generate a new template using RPX files. Browse and select countries report.rpx. It will create automatically the detailed subsection with field 1, 2, 3 and field 4. And these fields mean the data that we have on the RPX. We can see the data here. We will create the columns of this report. We'll place one here with a right click, another here, another here, and two more here. We will insert now the variables within the subsection. To do that, we will right click and we insert a new variable. The next variable, field 01, and we have 4, so the next will be field 02, and we can do it also with Ctrl D, field 3 and field 4. We will also align the fields to the columns. We align to column 1, column 2, and so on. We will see now the report for the first time, clicking on the button See Report. Now we will take some time to prepare a better report to see it finished. Here we have the report finished. We have done some modifications. For example, we have prepared the header, adding a title, page references, and column names. Some other elements, such as a couple of lines. Now we will see the report. The report is still simple, but it's more attractive. We will save it as country template.rpv and exiting the visual editor. Now we finish the Visual Basic program with a call. And we will perform a shell execute. We use shell execute instead of shell because it's more convenient. Here we tell Windows to execute countries report at RPX. That is the file that we have created with the program. Since the RPX is not an executable file, what Windows does is to open the file with the associated application. In this case, RPV. We will then execute the program, and we have here the report finished. Do you have questions, comments? Please don't hesitate to contact us to rpvsoftware.com. We will be happy to assist you. You can call us also to our Skype, RPV Software. Thanks for watching this video.